Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to enable international transactions on your Citibank account and card. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Citibank website. If you haven't already, go to citi.com. This is the main URL right here. If you're on your mobile phone, just go ahead and download the application and open it up. So once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is going to be the main page from where we can get started. And the first thing we need to do is to log into our account. So you want to log into your Citibank account from where you want to turn it international. So if you don't already have an account, what you can do is open an account. If you already have an account but just haven't activated for online use, what you can do is use the activate button right here. So once you have gotten your account up and running, we can get started. So you go ahead and log in, and after logging in, you are going to be greeted by your dashboard where you can take a look at all your transactions, your payment balance, and so on. And now we can get started with activating our international payments. So basically, how do we do so and activate international transactions? Well, we can follow the steps directly right here. So as you can see, once we have logged in, as I just showed you right here, we can click on the account summary option in the upper right corner. So by clicking in your profile option in the upper right corner, it's going to enable you to open up your account settings. From there, you're going to go and be able to open our account summary and then click on your savings and credit card. From there, you can click the manage card option. And once you have opened a manage card, this is going to enable you to go ahead and unlock international transactions. So if you're satisfied with the terminology right here and you accept it and continue, you can unlock international transactions and then set your transaction limits. So using these steps right here, you can get started activating your international transactions on any card that you wish with your Citibank account, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.